Hello, my name is Eli, and I'm here at Hollywood Kia to introduce you to the 2021 Kia K5 GT line. We're going to cover the different engine options and also the different trim levels that you can find in the K5. Now we're going to talk about the engine option you have on the GT line. This car comes with a 1.6 liter engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission that can provide you 180 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. We are on the inside. In the K5, you would have the option to pick from 5 different trim levels. You have the LX, you have the LXS, you have the GT line, and you have the XE, and you have the GT, which is the most higher trim package that there is in the K5. One of the cool things that I think I like the most about this GT line is the fact that GT line put the badge on your steering wheel, besides having that flat bottom. Another convenience that I like about this car is you have a place where you can actually put your phone. You just pick your phone and easily put it to this little spot right here, and you are good to go. Now I'm sitting in the back of the GT line. The first thing to actually notice is how much leg room do we have sitting in the back with this beautiful leather seat that comes with two designs. You have the cloth and the leather. As a passenger in the K5 GT line, you can enjoy the scenery by this beautiful panoramic sunroof that the K5 comes with. Now we are in the back of the K5 GT line. One of the things that stood out to me is the black spoiler that they put in the back. And the second thing that I actually like the most is the tail light design, how Kia not only put the straight line, but break the light in between to give it that beautiful and unique tail light design. The all-new K5 will make you fall in love with driving again. With its driver-oriented cockpit, the sporty midsize sedan will completely transform your driving experience.